in handmaids of the Lord.
Hindi ko pa nawakan. Tapos ka na.
Tapos na ako eh. Sa'yo na. Ulit.
Di ba sa'yo? Okay. O, titingin.
Wish. Hindi pa siya nakakawin. Hindi pa ako.
Now, my wish is that Lord, everybody of us, all the handmaid of the Lord must be happy all throughout the year.
Okay, so a specific wish that, Lord, my green card will come this Christmas season so I can go home and pick my kids.
I wish, Lord, I hope the mayordoma ng aking anak sa Hong Kong will be good to her. Okay, my wish is that I'll have my grandchild next year.
Babae.
Ano basta healthy? No. I wish upon the star will fall.
Oh my God! Huwag naman yun! Matulungin mo!
Sayang star, about fall.
May star.
Which star?
I wish for legalization for everybody.
Best wish ever.
Si Nene.
Tinitigan eh. Nene, nene. All our wishes will come true, including mine, of course.
Menchi.
I wish all happiness and blessings upon all of us.
I wish that the desires of our heart will come true soon. Ang sa akin, the desire of my two boys will be realities. No more forfeiting my voice na.
Okay, this is the last. Those who will be the last, they will chew up again. Okay? Ayaw lang daw! Ayaw lang daw! Okay.
Yung lang daw. O, talikod.
Binagalan dahil may gift, no? May gift. You can have a gift. What's your wish?
My wish is that we could serve as your leaders. We could serve him faithfully, and we could bring all of you that we could be together in serving him faithfully.
Yeah!